Bought this for $26. Whoever last worked on it ripped the RAM pads and the PCB is pretty much done. I didn't have a blue PCB, but I did have a red one that works. I could have used my hot plate, but I decided to solder with my hot air station. I like to pre-tin the pads before doing so. Don't be like me. Always tape your gold edge before doing any soldering work. I didn't have a CR2O5 battery, so I improvised. And it works. Time for a bath and a battery, once I can get one.